morning from the beautiful Philippines, from the island of Coron. And today we are going island hopping. It's 8 AM and I'm ready to go, and it's already toasty hot. Can't wait till we get out onto the water and get that breeze through my personal boat. Here we go. Now, I've been very lucky in that I have an entire boat to myself for my day trip. But normally when you come to Coron, the island of Coron, yeah, it's got Tapayas Hill, which gives really good views, but really there's not much else to do in Coron but to sleep, eat, and organise your trips. And there are several trips around. I mean, there's so many different beaches and islands and freshwater lakes here to see that you can pretty much put your own trip together. But there's certain set trips, like a highlights trip and different things. I'll try and get you some more information on those and what they cover. But generally what you do is you go along to any of the little tour operators in town, or often your hotel accommodation will organise it as well. And whether you're one as a group or couple, you can join the trip that goes on a boat for the day. Then you have to wait for Coast Guard clearance. They come and check the boat, make sure that it's all seaworthy, licensed, got life jackets, got the right number of people on it before you can go out. So although I'm ready, my boatman's ready, my captain's ready, the Coast Guard's not. So I'm just chilling on the water, waiting to get out there. I tried to get earlier, because a lot of the boats go up between 8 and 9, because pretty much that's when the Coast Guard starts working. Now I tried going out a bit earlier. I was there at 7 to try and get ahead. I'm not sure if it's worked or not, because some of the sites can get quite busy quite quickly. My plan is that if I get out a bit earlier, get ahead of the crowds. Well, let's see how many crowds there is out there. Kayangan Lake, here we are. You pay your entrance here. I notice no life jacket, no swim, no ticket, no swim, and it's 367 steps up, then 163 down. Okay, let's go. And down into Kayangan Lake. You're up 367 steps, was it? Down 165, and then you come to the Philippines' largest freshwater lake. And it's all inside a coral or rock atoll inside Coron Island. And the water is clear, clear. Have a look at that. Now there's a wooden walkway round two sides of the entrance of the lake that you can walk around, pick a spot, and in you go. How clear that water is. Now I've come nice and early before too many people arrive, so it's quite quiet. Very, very clear. Ouch, stuck my toe. Apart from actually swimming obviously in the freshwater lake, one of the big attractions of coming to Kayangan Lake is at the top of the steps as you come up from the boat. On the left is this beautiful, all I can just call iconic viewpoint of Coron. Here, have a look at this. But it's very popular. Yep, I will in a second. It's very popular, as you can see. So you have to make your way through, get to the view, and then hopefully get some time there. Let's see if I can make my way through. Come through. Ooh, and the cave. Oh, there's a cave as well. We won't be going down into the cave, but you can have a quick peek. There you go. Well, what really you come up for is this view here. Now when the viewpoint's clear, which is up there, I will show you. But that's the view we're looking for. Down there. Welcome now into Twin Lagoon. As you can see, a lot of the other boats are crowded and noisy. I'm not going to comment on the people's thoughts of tourism to beautiful areas to come and make a party. It's for you to think about yourself. But look how clear that water is, it's beautiful. Now there's 2 lagoons through here, you can only go so far and then you have to swim or float. Or if you're lucky you can get your boat to bring a kayak with you and then you can kayak through. We're just going to anchor here into Twin Lagoons. And you have to wear a life jacket again, which makes swimming a bit choke. But of course, you got a few friends. Hi guys! There's the second lagoon. Relax, don't put your head up. Okay, Coron is no longer the quiet, hidden paradise, I'm afraid. Whew. It's barely 10 o'clock, boats on either side, water, people everywhere. As you can see, dinner's cooking on some of the boats. People floating around mostly. It's nice to swim. It's not exactly snorkeling because it's all rock down below, so there's no fish or coral or anything like that. But it's fun to swim around and definitely to cool off. Now, I'm going to head back and go to our next spot. Let's swim through again. It's getting towards lunchtime and the boats are arriving and the crowd, so it's time for me and you to leave. What a day. I have done so much today, I have seen so much, it has been stunningly beautiful. My first day in the Philippines has blown me away.
I can't wait to see more of this beautiful country.